Methods of psychology. What is methods of psychology? Can you list important methods of psychology? Can you explain approaches in psychology research methods? Going to learn. Psychologists use many different methods for conducting research. Each method has advantages and disadvantages that make it suitable for certain situations and unsuitable for others. Psychology is an empirical science, hence use scientific methods. Important methods are following. First, experimental method. Second, observation methods. Third, survey method. Fourth, test methods. Fifth, case study method. Sixth, clinical method. And seventh, correlation method. Eighth, interview method. Ninth, questionnaire method. 10th, interception method. And 11th, neuroimaging method. Approaches in psychological research. First approach, nomothetic or quantitative approach. Second, ideographic or qualitative approach. First, we are going to deal with quantitative approach. This approach is basically used in inferential and descriptive statistics, investigation in analysis, presenting, and interpretation of data. The term nomothetic comes from the Greek word nomos, means law. Psychologists who adopt this approach are mainly concerned with studying what share with others. Second, ideographic or qualitative approach. The term ideographic comes from the Greek word eidos, meaning own or private. This approach not to use descriptive statistics but uses qualitative method of data gathering such as interviews, diaries, and other written materials obtained from or provided by the expected or anticipated respondents of a particular research. Thank you. Have a nice day.